In this video, we will discuss survey points. When a survey point is inserted into a drawing from the survey database, a Civil 3D COGO point is created. However, this point will have a special attribute that indicates that it was created from the survey database. Now, survey points cannot have their locations and raw descriptions changed within the drawing because they are locked and set by the survey database. However, they can be changed in the survey database. Let's go ahead and open up our Proj 1 for editing. And let's just bring in the survey points by right-clicking and choosing Points, Insert into Drawing. That should fit the view and bring all the points in. And let's even bring in our figures as well to just get a better idea of where we are in the job. We'll simply drag them in this case. So hold and drag the mouse and let go. And now we're over here. If we look at the Prospector tab for a second and navigate to the Points category, you will notice this little symbol right here. This symbol is telling you it came from a survey database and you cannot edit it in the file. Let's go back to the Survey tab. Let's say we have to make an edit to a point. So we'll go ahead and navigate down here to point number 2039. And let's go ahead and right-click and choose Zoom to go to it. As you can see, if I go ahead and select this point, I can hover over the different rotation parts, but I cannot move this point. If I click on this grip here and drag it, you'll notice you cannot drag it. Now let's say this point was incorrect. I have the description and everything that the surveyor gave to me, but I want to make changes to it. You cannot change the point raw code in the actual file. You have to do it through the survey database. So let's go ahead and right-click on 2039 and choose Properties. We'll go ahead and change this from a ground shot to a COMB description. Because the description key set defined in this drawing leverages the parameters like $1 and $2, this will automate our actual description that gets inserted into the file. This is combination pole 125 with a service of CMP and ATT. We'll go ahead and click OK here. Notice how the description does update. However, the point itself does not update with the correct style. So just simply right-click on here and choose Points, Insert into Drawing. And now, as you can see, it grabs that description of combo and it allows you to do that. So this is combo pole number 125 CMP and we're good to go. So let's say the only step left to do is to rotate the actual block. Hover over the point and click on Rotate Marker. And as you can see, you can rotate the marker. And then if you wanted to, you could move the label around. Most probably at this point, if you're ready to plot them, you would have a point group that would show the description only.